Alright, here is the third installation of my GoPro spearfishing adventures. I was pretty hesitant to make this video because I did not fashion the GoPro properly to my mask, and as a result you don't have a good vision of what I'm actually looking at. I had a wonderful time out in the water though. It was really awesome. My friend Eddie said I should spend more time hiding in the kelp, so if you see lots of kelp, that's what I'm doing, Eddie. Right away I catch a perch, which is very, very exciting, and I didn't have to ikejime it. I'm out here with my buddy Josh. Hey Josh, thanks for diving with me. I have other struggles though with this perch. That is not realizing that I could take the fish off of the line, which I learned at the store about my gun. Instead I'm trying to struggle with getting it off the flopper. So that's pretty embarrassing. Hopefully you won't have to see that again. It's a great day for diving. And here I make another mistake. I'm putting my hand right on top of the bands, as I notice now. But still managed to bring in this calico bass, which is super exciting for me. This is the first time I've caught one. I'm actually scared. And I see a shark. This time I will try to wave to the little guy, and it's a lot more fun this time. So thanks for watching the third installation. It only gets better from here, and have a good one out there. Thanks.